Wouldn't say good.
Huh?
Not well.
So do you agree that they should be respected?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you truly respect animals if you still exploit them for their flesh, milk, eggs, or other purposes?
No.
No. It's a contradiction, right?
Yeah.
Do you know the solution?
So like veganism and
Yeah.
not buying animal products.
Yeah. Do you know the definition of veganism?
Like like I know what veganism is.
Yeah. So a lot of people know what it means in practice, like not exploiting animals, not getting the products. But the definition is that humans should live without exploiting animals for any purpose. So not only for food, but also for clothing, for entertainment purposes like zoos and circuses, or animal testing, for example. So it is just acknowledging that animals do not live here on this planet for us to use, but rather for their own reasons. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Do you live vegan?
Not fully,
Hmm?
but
Do you know
possible.
the biggest advantage of being vegan?
I know it's pretty healthy.
Yeah, I mean, if you're not only eating vegan burgers, yeah, could be healthier. But the biggest advantage is that you would no longer be the reason that this is happening. And also, if you claim they should be respected and you live vegan, you would no longer be a hypocrite, right? Aren't these two good reasons to make a change? So, if you were in the position of the animal, how fast would you want the humans to change?
Right away.
So, how many animals from now should be exploited for you?
No.
Vegan now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Handshake on that? Strong. One last question. If would you agree that the animals should be actively defended by us vegans?
Yes.
How would you be able to do that?
Um, things like these.
Yeah.
I would imagine like government lobbying, petitions,
Mhm.
such things like that.
Yeah. I think the most valuable thing is because most people would say from the beginning animals should be respected, to point out the hypocrisy. Because people usually don't like to be hypocrites, and if we point that out, we actually help them to not be the reason anymore that this horrible stuff is happening. And like we do here with this action, if you get some time, you can join us for a few minutes.
And do what?
Huh?
What would that like?
So you could hold a screen with a mask for a few minutes and show the public the truth about what is happening to animals. Yeah, you want to do it? Amazing. Yeah. So I can get a mask and switch you in. What's your name, by the way?
Cadence.
Huh?
Cadence.
Cadence? Oliver. From where you're from?
Canada.
Canada. Oh, okay. Nice. And you were never confronted with veganism this way, or?
Yeah, actually, it was like when I was younger, my mom was kind of into like the documentaries and stuff, and they'd go into slaughterhouses and like film the abuse and whatnot. So
Hmm?
my sister and I started as vegetarian, like pescatarian.
Yeah.
So kind of, and I kind of continued from there. I
Yeah.
haven't really like completely cut off like milk and
Yeah.
eggs, whatnot. But
That was the thing for me too. I needed someone to actually speak it out to me because after all, the thought is already in your head that this is kind of fucked up and bad. You just have to take action for it. Yeah. So should I set a timer for 5 or 10 minutes and put it in? You just have to pay attention to standing straight and like holding the screen flat. It is very light screen, so. Kann ich dich einmal auswechseln? Ja. I close it now. Yeah. A little bit back. Perfect. Now hold it like this. And I set a timer now, yeah? Open now. Yeah. Yeah. Wait a second, I get the mask. So, thank you. How did it feel?
Felt powerful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Amazing. So, where from Canada are you?
Alberta.
Alberta. Okay, not sure where this is, but we also got groups in Canada too.
Okay.
So you can check it out. There's a world map where you can see the different groups where you can participate and be active. If there's nothing near you, you could start being an organizer. And if that's nothing for you, I urge you to be active in different ways online, whatever way you think fits best to you. Because like this injustice is going on for so long, and vegans are the only hope to make a change, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So very much thanks to you for supporting.
For letting me be a part of it.
Then, thank you
Thank you.
and have a nice vegan day. Bye.